To all the STEM students, welcome back to the channel. Tonight, let's build a multi-LED sequencing circuit. I started by lining up all the LEDs. For this circuit, I used 8 multicolor ones. Then I started adding the resistors, with one leg on the power rail and the other one on the wiring rail. All the resistors are located on the negative rail, which will later be connected to the ground pin. Their location regarding the LED is perpendicular to the shorter LED leg. Now you can see me connecting jumper wires to the pins from 2 to 9. And to the ground pin. Now that all the jumper wires are connected to the Arduino, we can connect them to the breadboard. Here's the assembled version of the hardware. I used the black wire to contrast the connection with the ground pin from the other jumper wires. I then wrote the following code that performs the logic of LEDs lighting up one by one. Firstly, I declared the pin numbers for the LEDs. Then, I passed them into the setup function. In the loop function, I repeated the fragment of code that makes the LED light up 8 times. Even though there are more efficient ways to do it, I'm showing the simplest version of the code. Time for the final result.